Welcome back to my channel Luxury Drive Car. Today, we're diving deep into the 2025 Mini Cooper, a car that continues to capture the hearts of drivers with its blend of iconic design, modern technology, and spirited performance. Whether you're a long-time Mini fan or new to the brand, this comprehensive overview will provide you with everything you need to know about the latest iteration of this beloved vehicle. Design and exterior. The 2025 Mini Cooper stays true to its heritage while embracing contemporary design elements. Its compact dimensions make it ideal for urban environments, yet it offers a presence that's both charming and assertive. The front fascia features the classic round headlights, now equipped with advanced LED technology for improved visibility and a sleek appearance. The signature hexagonal grille has been subtly refined, giving the car a fresh yet familiar face. Moving to the side profile, the short overhangs and contrasting roof colors remain, allowing for a high degree of personalization. The 2025 model introduces new wheel designs, ranging from 17-inch to 18-inch options, catering to both aesthetic preferences and performance needs. At the rear, the Union Jack-inspired taillights pay homage to the Mini's British roots, adding a touch of nostalgia to its modern design, interior and comfort. Step inside the 2025 Mini Cooper, and you're greeted by a cabin that masterfully blends retro charm with cutting-edge technology. The centerpiece is a new 9.4-inch circular OLED display, a nod to the classic Mini speedometer, now serving as the hub for infotainment and vehicle settings. This high-resolution screen offers crisp graphics and an intuitive interface, ensuring that drivers can access information with minimal distraction. The materials used throughout the cabin have seen an upgrade, with options for leather-free sport seats that are both comfortable and supportive. Ambient lighting allows drivers to set the mood, with multiple color options illuminating the cabin in a soft glow. Despite its compact size, the Mini Cooper offers a surprising amount of space for front passengers, though rear seat occupants might find legroom limited, a common trait in this segment. Performance and handling. The 2025 Mini Cooper offers a range of powertrains to suit different driving preferences. The base model is equipped with a 1.5-litre turbocharged 3-cylinder engine, delivering 161 horsepower and 184 pounds-feet of torque. This setup provides a spirited drive, with a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of approximately 7.4 seconds. For those seeking more excitement, the Cooper S variant boasts a 2.0-litre turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, producing 201 horsepower and 221 pounds-feet of torque, shaving the 0 to 60 miles per hour time down to around 6.3 seconds. Both engines are paired with a 7-speed automatic dual-clutch transmission, offering smooth and quick gear changes. The manual transmission option has been discontinued for this model year, a decision that may disappoint purists but reflects current market trends. On the road, the Mini Cooper lives up to its go-kart handling reputation. Its quick ratio steering and compact dimensions make it agile in city traffic and a joy on winding roads. The suspension has been tuned to balance sporty handling with ride comfort, though some may find it on the firmer side, especially with larger wheel options. Technology and features. Technology takes center stage in the 2025 Mini Cooper. The new circular OLED display is not just a visual highlight but also a functional one, integrating navigation, media, and vehicle settings seamlessly. The system supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensuring that drivers can stay connected on the go. A head-up display projects essential information onto the windshield, allowing drivers to keep their eyes on the road. The Mini Intelligent Personal Assistant is another notable addition, enabling voice-controlled interactions for various functions, from adjusting the climate control to setting navigation destinations. Safety features have also been enhanced, with the inclusion of active driving assistance systems such as adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and automatic emergency braking. These systems work together to provide an extra layer of security, making daily driving more relaxed and safer. Customization and personalization. One of the hallmarks of the Mini brand is the ability to personalize your vehicle, and the 2025 Mini Cooper is no exception. A wide array of exterior colors, including the new Sunnyside Yellow and Chili Red 2, allow owners to express their individuality. Roof and mirror cap colors can be contrasted to create a bespoke look. Inside, various trim options and upholstery materials enable further customization. Whether you prefer a classic black interior or something more vibrant, there's a combination to suit your taste. Additionally, ambient lighting settings can be adjusted to match your mood or driving environment. Fuel efficiency and environmental impact. In today's automotive landscape, fuel efficiency and environmental considerations are more important than ever. The 2025 Mini Cooper addresses these concerns with its efficient powertrains. The base 1.5-liter engine achieves an estimated 32 miles per gallon combined, making it a frugal choice for daily commuting. The more powerful 2.0-liter engine in the Cooper S offers slightly lower fuel economy, but still respectable figures given its performance capabilities. For those looking to minimize their carbon footprint further, Mini continues to offer the all-electric Mini Cooper S. This model provides the same iconic design and engaging driving experience, with the added benefit of zero tailpipe emissions. It's an excellent option for urban dwellers and those with access to charging infrastructure. Pricing and trim levels. The 2025 Mini Cooper is available in several trim levels to cater to different preferences and budgets. The base model starts at $28,950, offering a solid array of standard features, including the new OLED display, LED headlights, and a suite of safety systems. The Cooper S variant begins at $32,200, adding the more powerful engine, sport seats, and additional performance-oriented features. Higher trims, such as the iconic and John Cooper Works editions, introduce premium amenities like a panoramic moonroof, Harman Kardon sound system, and unique styling elements. It's worth noting that while the Mini Cooper offers a premium experience, adding options can quickly increase the price, so careful consideration is advised when configuring your vehicle. Driving experience. Behind the wheel, the 2025 Mini Cooper delivers a driving experience that's both engaging and refined. The turbocharged engines provide ample power for both city driving and highway cruising. The car's compact size and responsive steering make it easy to maneuver through tight spaces, while its well-tuned suspension offers a balance between comfort and sportiness. The cabin remains relatively quiet at highway speeds, with minimal wind and road noise, contributing to a pleasant driving environment. The seats provide good support for longer journeys, and the intuitive layout of controls ensures that drivers can focus on the road ahead. Competitors and market positioning. In the compact car segment, the Mini Cooper faces competition from several notable rivals. The Mazda 3 hatchback offers a blend of style and driving dynamics, with a more spacious interior. The Volkswagen Golf GTI is another contender, known for its performance and practicality. However, the Mini Cooper distinguishes itself with its unique design, premium feel, and extensive customization options. For those considering an electric vehicle, the Mini Cooper S competes with models like the Fiat 500e and the Mazda MX-5. While the S's range may not match some competitors, its iconic design and engaging driving experience make it a compelling choice for urban drivers. Ownership and maintenance. Owning a Mini Cooper comes with the assurance of BMW's engineering and build quality. Routine maintenance is straightforward, and the brand. The 2025 Mini Cooper's backside blends classic charm with modern refinement. The most striking feature remains the Union Jack-inspired LED taillights, paying homage to Mini's British heritage while offering a distinctive and recognizable look. The rear bumper has been subtly reshaped for a sleeker appearance, with integrated reflectors enhancing safety. A redesigned tailgate ensures easy access to the cargo area, which provides improved practicality despite the car's compact size. For sportier variants like the Cooper S, dual exhaust tips add an aggressive touch, emphasizing performance capabilities. The Mini Cooper S electric model features a unique bumper design, differentiating it from its gasoline counterparts. The available contrast roof and rear spoiler add further personalization options, making each Mini feel unique. Overall, the 2025 Mini Cooper's rear combines stylish aesthetics with functional enhancements, ensuring it remains an icon on the road from every angle. Please subscribe to my channel and share with like. Please subscribe.